Hey guys, today I have for you my September Boxycharm box. If you're curious to see what kind of goodies they put in this month, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have for you my September Boxycharm box. I gotta say, guys, Boxycharm is one of my favorite makeup subscriptions to get. But recently, I started getting the selfie box, and I just got my second one from them. And I gotta say, guys, they're edging out Boxycharm as far as one of my favorites because I use all of the products in their boxes. They're really good products. They're all full-size products. I'm really liking the selfie box, so I think it's going to overtake the Boxycharm in rank for now, but I will continue to get the Boxycharm because I do also enjoy this box. And of course, the Diva Bag by Sonia is also one of my favorites, but that one is only $12 a month, where the Boxycharm is $25, and so is the selfie box, so maybe one day I'll put them up against each other. Nonetheless, let's get into all of the hopefully super fun things they put in this box. Okay, guys, so here's my box. I can't believe I did that without dropping it. But nonetheless, here's my box. So let's pop this puppy open and see what's inside. Alrighty, daddy. Ooh, okay. So here's what it looks like inside when you open them up. Awesome. So it looks like we got some glam vibes only. That is the theme for this month. So that's super fun. They always put a card in here for those of you who don't know, but they always put a card in here explaining a little bit about each of the products in your box as well as how much they cost, which I love. So a lot of people like to know the variation. This is variation 44. No clue what that means, whatever, but that's the one I got, so I'm just letting you guys know. All right, let's pop in here and see what we got here. So we're starting off with Pharmacy. It's interesting. Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. You guys know I love my eye creams. I am all about them. So here's your little box. Hopefully you guys can see that pretty good. My lights get a little crazy. Might have to work on my lighting. Let's pop this bad boy open, and then we will read about all the fun stuff it's supposed to help do. Ooh, I love this packaging. Cheer up. Got little cherries on it. Cheer up. That is cute. Love the packaging. All right, let's pop this open because I love my eye cream. So this is definitely going to be for me. Ooh, smells pretty good. That's what it looks like. All right, we're going to go ahead and put this all back together here. And we're going to find it on my little card. So the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with, I don't know, is that acerola cherry? Sure, great. You guys know I'm going to put it right here because I'm sure I pronounced it wrong. At any rate, it's a super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Hello! Who doesn't need that? You know, a lot of people are blessed and they look really young and they don't have any of these wrinkles going on and stuff like that. So kudos to you guys. But I am trying everything that I can to make these things go away. I'm 42, going to be 43 very soon, and I don't like them. I'm just saying. So, I mean, what's going to happen when I'm like 80? Wow. Hopefully this stuff will work good by then. We'll see. Nonetheless, it delivers instant radius to radius? No, there's no radius. What the heck? It delivers instant radiance. That sounds so much better. To the eye area. Clean, fragrance-free formula. Alrighty, guys. The value of this little guy, it's very little, $45. So let's see, this is 15 milliliters or 0.5 fluid ounces. That's how much you get for 45 bucks. But before I go on a rant about the price, although that is very expensive, you get quite a bit in here and you're using it for your eyes. It's an eye cream, so this is probably going to last me a very long time. So I like to take that into consideration when I'm pricing things because yes, it's $45, but it might be $45 every 2 or 3 months because this little jar is going to last you a pretty long time. All right, so that's product number 1. Let's just grab this. Yes! I don't know if I get to pick with this one, but if I do, I am certain that I picked this because I always pick mascaras. I'm always looking for ways to make my eyelashes look like my son's. He was blessed with gorgeous eyelashes. I was not. Whatever. Okay, so this is a Lash Boss Bold Laura Geller volumizing, can never say that right, brush. Awesome. So obviously this is a mascara, guys. It would help if I would quit looking at it and show it to you. Getting some glare. there you go. That's what it looks like. So let's pop this open because I love my mascaras. This isn't going to anybody else. And you know what? If I keep getting these mascaras in all my boxes, I'm never going to need to buy mascara again in my life. Okay, Laura Gallo, New York. That's what the little thing says. So let's pop this open. This is huge. Wow, this is a really big. Wow, it's pretty big. Okay, so here's your wand. This is just the regular straight wand. I actually prefer the curly wands, but you know, I will definitely give this a try and hopefully I love it. So let's read about it really quick here. Laura Geller Lash Boss Bold Mascara in black. Go the extra mile and give your lashes an enhanced lengthening and curling effect in just a few strokes. I'm down. Lash Boss Stretch Lengthening Mascara offers an incredible, soft, smooth, flexible formula with an exceptional silky feel. Sounds great to me. So the value of this guy here is $24. Let's see. Oh yeah, we have 0.29 fluid ounces is what you get here. This is a pretty big one, guys. I mean, I think this is a pretty big mascara. And it's right up there in cost with all of the other ones. So yeah, pretty good. All right, I am down. So down. All right, let's jump into the next thing here. Ooh, Hank and Henry. Well, what do you got here, Hank and Henry? It's a satin matte lipstick. I like the little box here. Can you guys see that? That is really cool. All right, so this is a lipstick. Let's see what color they sent to me. Obviously, oh my God, this packaging is amazing. What? Look at this. Wow. I mean, I feel like this was sent to the Queen of England. What the heck? This is awesome. How do I open it? It's so amazing. I don't even know how to open it. What the heck? Okay. Wow. It's like in a little capsule. I've never seen anything like that. Wow. Look at that. It just pops right out of here. You pop it from the top here and you just pop it down. That is so awesome. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. Are you getting this? Oh my gosh, it's full of like little glitters and stuff. I hope you're seeing this because this is amazing. I so want to put this on right now, but honestly, I don't think that you'd be able to see it with what I got on. So we're going to just do a little stroke-a-dee-doo. Okay, it's not as exciting when you put it on. Everything else was super exciting until I did that. So here's what it looks like. Let me get in here. Okay, so the color's not bad and everything, but I just wanted to see those sparkles. I mean, this thing was sparkling. Like, honestly, I thought that it would blind you. It was sparkling so much, but when you put it on, it doesn't sparkle. Well, that's kind of a letdown. Everything else was great up until then. Like, it was amazing. And then I put it on, so yeah. Well, let's read about it. Alrighty, Hank and Henry Lip Love Luxe Lipstick. It is definitely luxe. I've never seen packaging that stellar on a lipstick ever. So kudos to them. That was amazing. Okay, so love your lips with Lip Love Lipstick. This luxurious lipstick is decorated in a beautiful shimmer coating coating that dissolves as it is applied to your lips and is encapsulated in a stunning ruby container. The formula is smooth and leaves a creamy satin finish or moisturizing cream finish. Okay, so it's definitely leaving a satin finish on me. The value of this is $18. So here it is one more time, guys. Here's what it looks like. So I think that's going to be a great color on me. You can't really see it here, but on my lips, I think it will be a good color on me. So I liked everything about it, man. I just wish that shimmer was part of it. So I don't know. That was kind of a letdown for me. But all right, $18 value. I'm down. I mean, this was an enjoyable thing to unbox, honestly. It was just so amazing. Felt like Christmas. Okay, so let's jump into the next thing here, and it looks like it's a beauty sponge. Okay, so sorry about the lawnmower. Like, should I just wait until that goes away? Like, really? Did he have to start that right now? Seriously. Great. So that's just going to totally ruin my video, but we're going to keep rolling with this unboxing because I got to get it in. Okay, so it's a vegan charcoal infused beauty sponge. So here you go. That's what it looks like. We'll go ahead and pop this open. You know what? I gotta say I haven't been using beauty sponges anymore. Ooh, nice little soft sponge here, just like all the rest of them. Awesome. But I actually switched to using those brushes that I saw Jean Louise use and when she did a makeup video, and I really like those now that I'm used to them, so I don't really use these anymore. So this could possibly it will most likely go to my niece. Wow, now we have like sirens and stuff. Can this video get any more of a train wreck? I'm just saying. What the heck? All right, let's read about this thing really quick. So it's $1 billion. $1 billion? Oh, well, I'm not giving this to anybody. This is $1 billion right here. $1 billion beauty charcoal beauty sponge. Well, this isn't going anywhere. This is staying with me. $1 billion? Oh, well. All right, so this charcoal-infused beauty sponge provides the perfect application for any liquid foundation, concealer, or highlighter. The density is perfect for dispensing a controlled amount of product onto the skin. The applicator applies smoothly for a filtered look without the filter. Pretty awesome. So the value of this little guy is $15. Let me hold it up right for you guys. $15 for this little guy. Yeah, I don't know. I didn't use it, but I gotta say I'm not that impressed with that particular item in the box. But you know what? I've been loving everything else so far. So, okay. So, alrighty. Let's finish it out here with a Spanglish. Spanglish? I don't know. You guys tell me. Love the packaging because I'm a purple fan and this is pretty stellar. So, why don't we open this up? It's a palette of some sort. It says it's a pressed pigment palette. Oh, it's also sealed. Hello. Wow, that normally is not the case. Normally I can just pop these things open and they're like ready to go. Oh my gosh, the lawnmower, guys. Really? Like, really? Ugh, this is awful. I feel like you can't hear me. I feel like I have to scream. Okay, let's open. Ooh, wow! Whoa! I love it. Wow, I didn't expect that. Look at those colors, guys. Wow, that is gorgeous. Oh, that is so pretty. It has a mirror. That's why I bent it back so you guys didn't get the glare. But wow, this palette is stunning. I love the purple. Oh my gosh. This is a really exciting palette, guys. I'm excited about it anyways. So yeah, there you go. Awesome. Alrighty, Daddy. Really? The lawnmower. Oh my gosh. Let's read about this really quick. So this is Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish Pressed Pigment Palette. Perfect for your day and night. This palette features 8 stunning shades. That is accurate, guys. The 4 shimmers are just like you, multi-dimensional and unique, dripping in fine glitters and reflective pearls. I had no idea that's what they thought of me. But it says just like me, so I'm just saying that's what it says here. I didn't realize Boxycharm and I were that tight. Awesome. Ground your look with the easy to blend and ultra long wearing mattes. The value of this palette is $28. So that's right up there with all the other palettes. It's actually on the lower end, but you do only get 8 shades. So, I mean, taking that into consideration. So here you go. That is a really great palette. I gotta say, I love that. So that wraps up my Boxycharm box for this month. I would say I hope you enjoyed this video, but it was a total train wreck between the lawnmower, the sirens, and all of the chaos. But nonetheless, that's what I got in my box. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you click the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos that I upload. I'm uploading more often now to give you guys more variety of things each week. So it's hard to tell what I'll be uploading and when I'll be uploading it, but I'm working on a lot of DIYs that I hope to have out to you guys very soon. So make sure you've hit the subscribe button. Click the notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. And if you would, give me a like and share this video with somebody if you enjoyed it. And that will really help out my channel. So that's all I got for you guys this time. And I will catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to fix my hair because I can feel it going into my face. Try it again. So in today's video, I have for you a Boxycharm. Which one is it? I forgot to look. Let's try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, oh, my hair. What the heck? Oh, I'm about ready to take this hair out. Oh. So in today's video, I have for you my September Boxycharm. I gotta say, guys, Boxycharm is, yeah. Boom. Try it again. I gotta say, guys, Boxycharm is one of my favorite makeup subscriptions to date. But you know what? I am I hate to say it, but I am a huge fan. No, what? All scatterbrained. Try her again. Oh my gosh. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have for you my September. I feel something's off. Hold on. What? Wasn't ready.